Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create social media ads with Facebook easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Facebook Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account if prompted. Once in Ads Manager, click the green Create button to start a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective from the list, such as traffic, engagement, or conversions. Name your campaign for easy identification. Set your budget for the campaign either as a daily or lifetime amount. Click Continue to move on to the ad set level. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Set the locations where you want your ads to appear. Choose your ad placements, either automatic or manual. Determine your schedule by selecting a start and end date if needed. Once done, click Continue to proceed to the ad level. Select your ad format, such as single image, carousel, or video. Upload your media files to the ad. Add compelling text to grab your audience's attention. Include a strong call to action button that aligns with your campaign objective. Review your ad on the right side of the screen to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to launch your ad. Monitor your ad's performance through the Ads Manager dashboard regularly. Adjust your targeting or budget as needed based on the ad's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.